Have you ever wondered why some people have thick, healthy hair even though they never spend hundreds of dollars on expensive hair products? Every single time you make a guacamole and throw this seed in the trash, you are making very powerful part of avocado. What if I told you one of the most powerful ingredients for a healthier scalp is something almost everyone throws in the trash? Not rosemary, not onion, neither rice water. I'm talking about avocado seed. Yes, the hard seed inside every avocado. When combined with the cinnamon and clove, it creates an antioxidant-rich hairspray that many people are now adding to their natural hair care routine. But here is the exacting part. Today I will explain exactly what happens inside your scalp, why your avocado seed change color after cutting it, how to prepare this spray correctly, and why thousands of people are replacing expensive products with just simple kitchen ingredients. Just stay until the end because I'll also show you the biggest mistake that can ruin this spray. This is how avocado seed shreds are looking like. It looks like a carrot, isn't it? But it's actually the avocado. You know avocado, alright. So I'm gonna put in a blender. Now this step is very essential. Alright, I have just put in water, not too much, 1 glass in a blender. I also added 1 spoonful of cinnamon powder and 1 spoonful of clove. So I blend it together. Now blending stuff helps a lot. I don't know how I can explain this, but you always see in my DIYs, I try to blend ingredients with the water or with the oils because it literally helps to get all the nutrients inside whatever you have put in there. So it is very important. Well, I'm going to put that in a pot. Simmer for about 20 minutes. Allow it to cool completely. Strain careful. Put into a clean spray bottle. Do you think hair loss starts with the hair? It doesn't. It starts with the scalp. Imagine trying to grow flowers in a dry, unhealthy soil. No matter how good the seeds are, they struggle to grow. Your scalp works exactly the same way. Poor scalp health, buildup, inflammation, oxidative stress, and weakened follicles can all affect environment where hair grows. Okay, that is why simple applying oils isn't it always enough. A healthy scalp creates a better environment for healthier looking hair. All right. Most people eat avocado and throw away the seed, but the seed is packed with the natural polyphenols, flavonoids, antioxidants, and plant compound. Here is something fascinating. Have you ever noticed the seed turns orange or reddish brown only minutes after cutting it? Doesn't mean that it's going bad. It's oxidation. When oxygen meets with the natural polyphenols inside the seed, a reaction occurs. Think of it as seed activating its own natural defense. Okay? A healthy scalp always benefits from protection against everything, everyday environmental stress. Another interesting fact, when blended or grated, some surface is exposed. That means more of the natural plant compound can be released into the water while you are preparing your spray. Nothing is wasted. I found out with this avocado seed, it was very slimy, like it was a little bit oily. I don't know why. This seed right here is packed with a collagen boosting compounds. It contains 70% more antioxidant than the fresh you eat. We've been talking about flavonoids, vitamin E, polyphenols that can destroy free radicals. Free radicals are the why your scalp age quickly, shrinks, and stop producing hair. This seed tells them to wake up. It's time to grow right now. Here we go with the cinnamon. Cinnamon has compound that makes it thrive faster. This compound is vasodilator. That hits differently. It falls capillarily to your scalp to direct wide open. As avocado seed enforces blood circulation by adding cinnamon, you have a sizzling highway of blood flow, oxygen and nutrients flowing through your follicles. Cinnamon is DHT slayer. Cinnamon as well is androgenic. It tells DHT to sit down. When DHT is no longer active, your follicles stays in growth phase longer. Both avocado seed and cinnamon blocks DHT. The last ingredient is clove. It contains 80 to 90% of eugenol. This is a topical growth stimulant. It tells the cell that control hair growth to multiply so quickly. Now, let me burst your brain now. Clove has highest antioxidant value of any spice that you have ever seen. Now, mix the avocado polyphenols you just created antioxidant bomb that fights free radical aging on your scalp. Clove equally thickness booster. It increases keratin production. You are not growing your hair, but very thick hair. It is itchy terminator. It calms inflammation in your scalp as well. This bomb is loaded with a natural sugar and starch. After infusion during heating, these wild yeast bacteria from air start eating up those sugar and produce slimy product. It is actually awesome for your hair. Heat breaks down the compound so your scalp can absorb them better. It is also loaded with a probiotic, the good bacteria that balances your scalp microbiome and kills dandruffs, causing it fungus. This hairspray has natural saponine. Think of it as plant soap. When you shake bottle, you see bubbles. It's going to clean your scalp. If the spray develops sour or unpleasant smell, discard it and make it a fresh batch. Spray directly into your scalp. Massage gently for 2 to 3 minutes. Use daily or every other day on a clean scalp. Consistency matters more than using large amount. Natural hair care isn't about overnight miracles. It's about creating healthy habits that support your scalp overnight. Imagine if the ingredient you've been throwing away every single week becomes your new favorite DIY hairspray. Sometimes the most valuable remedies aren't hidden inside expensive bottles. They are already sitting in your kitchen. Would you try this avocado seed spray today? Let me know in the comment. If you ever used avocado seed, cinnamon or clove for your hair, share your experience as well. It might help someone else. And if you love science-backed natural hair care that doesn't cost a fortune, any dime, subscribe to Evolve Official and turn on the notification bell. Every week, I share simple homemade recipe, explain the science behind them, and I help you build a healthier hair routine using everyday ingredients. Remember, healthy hair begins with a healthy scalp. I will see you in my next one, my lovely queen. Always keep in mind that your hair is your throne.